This is Craig and welcome to the video. In today's video we're going to be talking about My Lead Gen Secrets and how you can use My Lead Gen Secrets to make daily sales in between 5 and 10 minutes. So I'm just going to log into My Lead Gen Secrets. I'm into the back office of My Lead Gen Secrets. Now My Lead Gen Secrets is a email mailing system where every day you're going to get 100 leads that you can mail any opportunity you wish, including My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, I've been part of My Lead Gen Secrets for just over 10 days now. As you can see, you get your leads in here. Soon as you sign up, you're going to have 100 leads waiting for you in your back office. So as soon as you log in, you're going to get your 100 leads. Now, if you refer just one person, they're going to give you an additional bonus 100 leads, as you can see there. So now, every day, you're going to get 200 leads. You can mail your leads once within 24 hours. As you can see here is my results for my 10 days. I've still got to send my email out for today. So these are 9 previous days. I've been getting results. As you can see, I've got my bonus leads just for referring at least just one member. I've had more than one come in. So basically all you need to do, once you're into the back office, here is your affiliate link that you can send out to the leads. You even get done for you emails, so you can just literally just click. What I'm going to do is go into the affiliate section now. Okay, again, here is your affiliate link. You can use this splash page link as well. So I'm just going to go down the compensation plan here for you. Okay, so every person that you bring into My Lead Gen Secrets, you're going to receive a $5 in referrals on one level. Once you start bringing people in, you're going to get them $5. Now, once they start bringing people in, you're going to get it on a level 2, which you're going to receive $4. And if they bring someone in, you're going to get $3, and it goes down onto 5 levels there, leading down to $1 a month. And these are monthly residual incomes. Okay, there's also one-time commissions if someone purchases the master swipes in the section, which is here, which is a $29.95 one-time payment, or if you miss out on that, then the pricing goes up to $59.95. And here, as you can see, here's the prices that you're going to get if somebody purchases their master swipes. At the $29.95 level, if they purchase at the $59.95 level, you're going to get as much as $10 down to $2 5 levels deep. Now, commissions can be paid out to you via PayPal, here, check, or into your Bitcoin. They do a weekly Superstars bonus contest where if you refer 5 people in 1 week, you can receive a $100 bonus. If you refer 25 new paid members, you can they're going to give you $500 bonus. So as you can see, here is the email swipes. Again, if you refer one person, they're going to give you 100 leads bonus. Okay, every day. So every day you're going to get 200 leads. So over the end of the week, you're going to have an extra 1,400 leads that you can email every single day. Now, here's all the swipes that they supply for you. And all you have to do is just click here and it'll load up into your mailing system, and you can press send, which I'll show you in a minute. I believe there is 10 emails. There's text ads and there's banner ads as well. So let me go into the mailing system. It literally, actually, if I click on one now, and I'll just quickly show you. So I'm going to choose affiliate email 1, mailer list be with you. So I'm going to just click here. Okay, and so now there's the subject line, may the list be with you, and this should all be, as you can see now, the email is all loaded into the mailing system. Okay, and now all you have to do is, if you scroll up, just select all the leads that you want to mail for the day. As you can see, I have 1700 that I can mail from today. You come down, always click on perfect timing. Now, perfect timing, actually the emails will go out at a similar time that they actually signed up, so you know you're going to get better results. So you can click there, and then I can't email for another hour and 32 minutes, so there'll be a send button and a preview. You can preview the text, you can add things to the text. I suggest that you personalise your emails, and there's the name there. Put your Facebook link in there, your YouTube channel, and put a little picture of yourself in there. Okay, so I'm going to go up there. I'm going to go onto the statistics now and show you the statistics of the click-throughs and the open rates that we're getting with these leads. And as you can see, I sent this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've sent 9 emails out, and up to yesterday I had 1500 leads. So as you saw previously, now I've got 17 leads, because you get the extra leads within the 24-hour period. As you can see, look at the high open and click-through rates again. On my first day I had a 60% open rate and a 24% click-through rate. On my normal autoresponder I use GetResponse. I normally only get a 2% open rate and probably a 1% give or take click-through rate. So these are quality leads coming in, and they are purchasing and making me sales. So it's such a great system. It's a great system to be part of. It's $30 a month, so it's $1 a day for 100 leads. When you first set up, you have to pay $60, so you're going to pay $30 for the system, for the leads, and then you're going to pay $30 for the setup, for them to set up your system. I literally signed up. You could sign into your back office straight away, so it takes probably about 10-15 minutes for you to actually, so you can start mailing. Okay, if you go into my leads, you can see all your leads here. And you can click on here and you can see all their information. You get their name, their surname, their email address, and everything where they signed up to. So it's worth looking. I'm not going to click on that now because there's personal information in there. So now, once you sign up, you're going to get access to the Facebook group, which is My Lead Gen Secret Success. This has been set up by Reed Floren. So you can just scroll down. When you come in, I suggest there's a mentorship tab. There's units that you can click on, which is additional training tips and tricks. So you can go in there, you can learn some more, you can share ideas. There's other members in here who share their ideas where you can copy and promote and start making more daily sales as well. Again, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. So there's a link in the subscription below this video. Click on the link, get started. If you have any questions, get back to me and I can help you get set up. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe, click the little bell so you'll get notifications of any more videos that I make, and you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions, again, let me know, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Thank you.